Is it very sad to see our Muslim business owners are increasing the prices, and on the other side, non-Muslim are giving more discount in this situation to help everyone? Sorry to say this, those Muslims who are doing this, I really doubt whether they are really Muslims or not. Muslims are not by name. Muslims are not by circumcision. Muslims are not by appearance. Muslims are known by their actions. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has hadith of Rasulullah sallam says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, Inna Allah la yanzuru ila asamikum wa la suwarikum walakin yanzuru ila qulubikum wa amalikum. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very clear in the hadith. These are the similar words. Maybe some words maybe here and there, but the meaning of the hadith is very clear. That Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not look into your appearance and does not look into your faces, which means Allah is not looking as you are Muslim by name, or you are Muslim by your beard and thobe, and you are Muslim by circumcision. Allah is not looking into that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what Allah is looking is that what is your intention in your heart as a Muslim, because anything that you do, you should do for the sake of Allah. That is your intention. And second thing, Allah sees your action. So Muslim is the one who has submitted his will to Allah. That means he will do things that pleases Allah, and he won't do things which will displease Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if he is a Muslim, then he should prove himself as a Muslim by action. And if he is proving this way, so I can say by actions today, even this government, I can say by action this government is Muslim, because this government is doing for the humanity what Muslims should be doing for the whole humanity, what Islam is teaching us. So I sometimes doubt that should we be really thinking of this kind of people. And imagine this Muslim businessman, as you said, you think he is not going to die? You think he'll be saved from this calamities? If he is doing this, his children are not safe. Subhanallah, la qaddar Allah. What goes around comes around. Maybe his life himself is not saved. Maybe what he is doing this, with this intention that he can become rich overnight by doing this. Who knows? Maybe next morning he is affected. May Allah protect all of us. Maybe he is affected with the coronavirus, and maybe whatever the money that he has earned this way by taking the disadvantage of the abusing this the privilege of serving the humanity, he loses that, and he is taking making a disadvantage of that. So this person, maybe he may, or his family, or somebody in his family will have that problem, and imagine what wealth will help him in that sense. And imagine this businessman, Muslim so-called businessman, does not he believe that tomorrow he's going to die? Doesn't he believe that he will not carry anything in his hands? Does not he believe that his wealth will not go in his grave? Does not he believe that his wealth will be questionable on the Day of Judgment? Does not he believe that on the Day of Judgment, the rich people will be the first people, the bad rich people will be the first people going into the hell? So why is he doing that? So that's what I'm saying. I really doubt that are they really Muslims by action, or they are Muslims only by name, by appearance, and by their circumcision. Allahu Alam. So I feel sad about that too. And I give, I congratulate the non-Muslims, and I congratulate this government who is helping us. Now imagine, yesterday I was crying, literally I was crying, when our Prime Minister Boris Johnson and the government has announced that those people, like myself, I was employed, my salary was limited. But again, because the source of income is gone, I won't get any salary. I've got rent, I've got utility bills, I've got council tax, I've got so many other bills I have to pay. I don't have enough access. Maybe I might be able to survive 1 to 3 months, but later on it will be difficult for me. I will not have enough money to look after myself. I won't have enough money to look after my family. But look what this government is doing. Subhanallah. It is a shame on Muslims who are hoarding money and piling up this money which won't help them in the grave. I feel sorry for that. This government, I really literally made dua for all the community members, starting from the Prime Minister till the end of those people who are authorized. Bismillah. Jazakallah khair. I was thanking Allah that subhanallah I'm in this country where this announcement is made that those people who are unemployed or those people who won't be getting the salary, the government will look after them. The council tax will be reduced and so many other bills will be reduced and the food will be transferred and delivered to their homes. Allahu Akbar. I think we are living, if this is the thing that will practically will happen, that means we are living during the time of Rasulullah and during the time of the Sahaba and Khilafah, because this Khalifa used to go to the houses of the people, check them out. If they are in need, they would personally the Khalifa would go and deliver food to the people. Subhanallah, this government is doing that. And shame on Muslims who say they are Muslims and they are doing this to the humanity. Allahu Akbar. So I salute this country, I salute the Prime Minister of this country, and I salute all the finance ministers of this country who are doing this, and I salute all the councils in every county of this UK, in every city of the UK. I salute all these, council members, MPs and all those people who are looking after the humanity. Subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah.